What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the place to be. Another channel, Big Boss ENT unboxing. Got the Pit Vipers going. Just got the new drop. Not a new drop, old drop. Been needing to get these. Kind of brought it up in the last video that we needed to get another pair of. Watch the other one. All right, we're gonna unbox it right now. Let's get it done. So, came in a pretty decent, okay box. Should be okay slicing through because it sounds like there's another one in there. Check it out, check it out. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Nice. Nice. So actually I placed 2 orders in the same day. Messed up actually. I ordered something. I had one order going, decided to go through. Oh, damn. Actually got these. Alright, so let's get into it. Oh man. Alright, cool. So for my daughter, you already know, we bald headed. Can't use one of them. But we got the scrunchie, what, the 1993 speckle paint scrunchie. That's for the kid. These guys right here. These are the original Polarized mysteries. Wanted to get the 2000s, but I noticed, you know, they are a little wide on me when we don't have a hat, you know, when I don't have a hat on anyways. So maybe my head ain't that big. I don't know, y'all comment down there. Let's see what we got in it. Everybody knows the usual box, right? Comes with the, you know, it says Polarized. Let's see, let's block that. It says Polarized on the front. Has all the activities you're able to do. Water, sledding, blading, flight, sled, you know, all that stuff, right? Alright, but yeah, these are what we're looking for. Let's see, let's get in the camera right there. Yeah, something like that. Y'all know, Pit Viper right there. Let's go ahead and swap these out. Really quick. There is the cleaning cloth / carrying case and the hooks. Those go there. You're able to swap them out of the back. You all know that, right? Pull them all the way out. That's how we roll. Big head. Let's put these guys down. And yeah, yes sir. Here we go. Yeah. So what do y'all think? I think these look just all right. That is them. So I'm happy with these. I think they go perfectly with the angle of my face, anyways. So if you are interested in the originals, you know, I got a pretty big head. I mean, my hat size when I usually wear fitted is like anywhere like between like usually a 7 and a 3/8, even though we're rocking the snapback, and you could tell those snaps are almost near the end. But yeah, so that is that. But they actually have these on their website. Very happy about them. I think they were like $21.69. They don't roll with that 99¢. That's always 69, right? Yeah, right here. Just plain, nice, all white out. They got, you know, Pit Viper, very nice. I think it's called the Dangerfield snapback or something like that on their website. I already recommend. I didn't even try this thing on. It looks really good. It has the rope down here in the right down there, right above the bill of the hat. There's the bottom. Yeah, and we even have a blue one. Got this for the young cuz. He'll be in a video next time very soon. Yeah, there's the reversible. There's that. Here, let me try on mine real quick. But yeah, these are looking good. These are the double snaps. Couldn't tell right there. Yeah. Yeah. Now we got it going. Oh, that black and white Big Boss, baby. Hey, you like what we're doing here? Like, comment, subscribe. You know how we do it over here in Camp Big Boss, baby. We out.